Welcome to this full moon meditation to invoke Artemis or Diana, the moon goddess. We, human beings, are part of the natural world, part of the universe, and we have the capacity to harmonize with nature rather than resisting it or fighting it. As a microcosm of the macrocosm, today I invite you to become one with nature. As you exhale, settle into your seat for meditation. As you inhale, feel a spaciousness in the center of your heart. Let every exhalation be a letting go, a settling in, and let every inhalation be an openness, an awakening to receive. Artemis, the goddess of the hunt. She governs forests, mountains, the moon, archery, and midwifery. See yourself in the form of Artemis, moving freely, fluidly in nature, with a deer as companion. You are as soft and smooth of limb, shapely of bone. You are strong, a huntress, joyful, walking, wandering in the mountains and the woods. You belong to no one but yourself, with yourself, complete as yourself, at home with yourself. And no one can take that away from you. You are focused with strong aspiration. You have a bow and arrow, a strong will and capability to support and be supported, to protect and be protected. You are always pure of moonlit mind. Your breath is fluid and cool. Your mind is sharp and clear. Your body is soft and supple. Now see the powerful white silver light beaming down from above the crown of your head. This full moon, with a pure, calm, and loving energy, this light that soaks through your entire being, filling you, this cleansing light. As you continue to focus on your breath, bring to mind that which you no longer want or need in your life. The things, ideas, beliefs, relationships you wish to release that no longer serve you. Allow these to linger for a moment in your mind's eye. If you like, you can visualize them as a color or an object. See them floating in front of you. Now, we recite an invocation to release what no longer serves you. This affirmation and invocation is: under the light of this full moon, I release you from my life with love. Under the light of this full moon, I release you from my life with love. Under the light of this full moon, I release you from my life with love. And as you say this, imagine each of the ideas, beliefs, relationships, habits, or thought patterns that you wish to release. See them disappearing, dissolving in the full and powerful light of this moon. Visualize each of these releasing from your life. Feel the weight of each burden released. And as the weight of each burden is released, feel as light as a feather as you relax and let go. Now, focus your mind towards a feeling of gladness. In the center of your heart, invite now a feeling of gladness, a sense of thankfulness and deep appreciation for all that you have and all that is yet to come into your life. You may set your intention now for the month to come. Take the next couple of moments to visualize, to see what it is you would like to create, to manifest in your life. See it as clearly, as vividly as you can, and see it become true. See it realize. As you see it become true, as you see it realized, feel in every single cell of your being that it is already true, and you are already living the life that you would like for yourself in the month to come, here, now. And as you connect with this vision you would like to create and manifest, say to yourself, I open to receiving all that is now coming to me. We'll repeat this 2 more times. I open to receiving all that is now coming to me. I open to receiving all that is now coming to me. I embrace beauty, love, and abundance that are heading my way. I embrace beauty, love, and abundance that are heading my way. I embrace beauty, love, and abundance that are heading my way. I send gladness and gratitude for the blessings I receive and rejoice in their wonder. I send gladness and gratitude for the blessings I receive and rejoice in their wonder. I send gladness and gratitude for the blessings I receive and rejoice in their wonder. Continue to be here, receiving, allowing, basking in the glow of knowing your heartfelt intentions will be made manifest. Feel them now as if they are already present in your life. And you are welcome to stay here as long as you wish in this feeling of resonance, love, abundance, gratitude, and appreciation. When you feel you would like this practice to come to a close, gently and slowly, letting your breath become more audible, feeling the weight of your body in contact with the ground, the surface beneath you, keeping the memory of this feeling fresh in your mind and your heart, taking this with you into the rest of your day as you very slowly and gently begin to open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this full moon journey. I hope you enjoyed this journey and wishing you a limitless, abundant, and beautiful full moon.